what we're going to be making today, guys. These cute little hair scrunchies. I think they're really fabulous. I just love them. They're just so full. These things just remind me of little trees, little groves of trees, or little broccoli or something. But I just think they're absolutely adorable how full they are. I have used just acrylic yarn from Walmart. I think it's Heart Savers, the brand. So this one's just a plain purple. This one has the little bit of glimmer into it. The crochet hook I used is a 4.0 millimeter. Just remember that when you're making these, the size of your crochet hook and the choice of your yarn is going to make a difference in the size of your finished product. These are just one of the very many hair decorations I've been making for my two granddaughters as they've gone back to school now. I've got numerous ones to show you, but this is one of my all-time favorite ones. I really like to make them out of cotton yarn that's mercerized, so it's got that little bit of sheen. I actually prefer all yarns to have a little bit of sheen. I think that's just my preference. So anyway, thank you guys for coming by today, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by working a bunch of single crochets around this hair tie. It doesn't matter what size hair tie. I mean, this is a pretty skinny one. I've got some thicker ones around here, but it doesn't matter. So let's just go ahead by putting a loop on our hook. Okay. I didn't do that quite the way I wanted to, but oh well. So I'm going to try to weave in this tail also as I go along and I do these single crochets. Let me get hold of that little critter. This thing being so skinny is kind of hard to hold on to. Okay, so we're just going to do crochets all around this. So what you need to do is just go under the band, pull up your loop, and work a single crochet, okay? So I'll do a few of these here. I've never used this particular yarn. This is one my grandbaby wanted me to use for her. So any of you guys that have been to my channel before, you know I'm just an old grandma. I am not fast. I'm self-taught, but I've been crocheting for a long time. And then I didn't, but now I just, now that I've got grandchildren who like me to make them things, it's kind of renewed it for me, and so I'm getting back into doing things. So one of the things I like to do when it's school time and holiday time is coming, I like to make sure that my grandbaby's got lots of pretty things to put in their hair. So this is kind of a busy time of year for me because I'm trying to do holiday stuff, I'm trying to do back to school stuff, plus just things that I want for myself. But as you can see, we're just going around doing the single crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and finish mine up and you guys do yours, and then we'll meet back here at the end. Okay, so I've come up to the end here. It doesn't matter how many single crochets you do around here. So then we're going to slip stitch into this starting single crochet. So we've done a slip stitch to close, and now we're going to chain 3. And then we're going to work a double crochet in that same stitch. So we're going to yarn over, go into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we'll put 2 double crochets into each stitch all the way around. So yarn over into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Put another double crochet in that stitch. Next one, 2 double crochets. The next stitch we'll do 2. And then I'm going to finish up on my own while you guys do yours. And when we come back around that other side over here, I'll join you. We're back here at the end, so what we're just going to do is go into the top of the chain 3 that we had up here and do a slip stitch. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to pull this loop up, yarn over, go into the second chain, not the first one. We're going to go into the second one. Let me get my loop back over there. We're going to pull up a loop, and we're going to pull it up long again. We're going to do that 3 times. This is 2, and this is going to be 3. Okay, and then we're going to wrap, yarn over, pull through all 3. Then we'll do a slip stitch at the top to close that little bundle we made there. And then we're going to single crochet into the 3rd chain, or the first one that we made. Then we'll single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Pull that one up, yarn over, go into the 2nd chain, yarn over, pull it up, yarn over, in through the chain, yarn over, pull it up, yarn over, in through the chain, yarn over, pull it up. That's 3 times. So then we'll yarn over and pull through all of that, slip stitch, go down into the 1st chain down here, and let's work a single crochet. And then the next stitch, the next chain or the next double crochet over here, we're going to work a single crochet. Then we'll chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll pull that loop up, yarn over, in through the 2nd chain, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, in through the chain, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, in through the chain, yarn over, pull up. We're going into that chain 3 times. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through, slip stitch, and then through the 1st chain down here, our starting chain, we're going to single crochet. And then in the next stitch over, we're going to single crochet, chain 3, pull it up, yarn over into the 2nd chain, yarn over into the 2nd chain, pull it up, stretch it up there a little bit, about the same height as the other ones, yarn over in through the chain and back up, then yarn over and pull through all of them, slip stitch to close that up, then single crochet into the starting chain down here, and then single crochet into the next double crochet, chain 3, stretch it up. Let me get some yarn pulled out here. Okay, stretch it up, yarn over, and the thing that is going to help you here is keep your finger on these stitches so they don't change, okay? If you can't see your stitch based on what color yarn you're using, just give it a stretch and you'll be able to see it real easily. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish mine up, and I'll come back when I get to the end over here. Okay, we're coming up on our last stitch here, so we're going to finish up as we've been doing. Okay, then we'll go down here and we'll single crochet in this last stitch. And you can go ahead and work another bobble in here. Well, I guess they're bobbles, I don't know what it's called. Or you can just finish off, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish off on mine. Thank you guys very much for visiting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Come back and see me next time.